Nah, it's not about the song. It's not about the movie. It's about you. It's about me. It's about us and how far we've come from last Christmas in 2020. From so many restrictions and fears and wanting to break free and be with friends and family, wanting to get together with loved ones and celebrate, we finally get to do that this year. This year, we will enjoy and celebrate even more because of how we always wanted to, love to, and got to, but many of us couldn't do that last Christmas due to the pandemic. This year, we get to celebrate and appreciate love, life, and loved ones even more. And we get to be more grateful than ever for this most beautiful and precious gift ever, life. It's like a bad dream that got over. Well, not quite, but we've been through the worst and we fought strong for every breath, quite literally. Many of us are still fighting, and we mustn't forget to be careful, grateful, mindful, and we must still be cautious and maintain the protocol and not take this beautiful gift of life and good health for granted. Just reaching out as a reminder to look after yourself, be kind to yourself, love yourself and your loved ones, and celebrate life every day with a promise to self to be the very best versions of you in the coming year and years ahead. Joy to the world starts with your very being. Just like every drop makes for the ocean, similarly, every happy person adds to the universal happiness. And every happy heart brings a lot more joy and light to those around. The world needs you, your love, your light, and I promise you, it will be reflected back to you. The universe has your back. When you learn, teach. When you get, give. True giving comes from the same place inside you as your deepest happiness. They are inexplicably intertwined. Everybody has something of value for another person. It could be a kind word, a simple smile, some appreciation, sharing of some special knowledge, even a helping hand or a bit of support during difficult and emotional times. We always remember those who were there for us or reached out to help us when we needed them the most. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. The act of giving doesn't have to be limited to an exchange of presents during Christmas or birthdays or special occasions. You make this gift of life a celebration all year long by giving someone a part of you in the form of your time, your love, your kindness, generosity, guidance, listening to them and being with them in their hour of need. Every single act of love, kindness, and generosity will multiply and return to you many times over. The more you give, the happier you will feel. It's one of the most basic laws. Giving is receiving. Whatever you're giving, the more you're receiving. The more you're receiving, the more you're giving. Money, food, love, or sharing all that you have and can share. You will receive in abundance. It is God's law. An old sage once said, the reward of charity depends entirely upon the extent of the kindness in it. Giving is not just about making a donation, it is about making a difference. It's not about how much we give, but how much love we put into giving. And love has the most amazing power to heal from everything you've ever gone through, been through. I feel, I know, I believe, and hence I say that love is the closest you can ever get to magic. Remember that the happiest people are not the ones who get more, but those who give more. You don't give with an expectation of getting something in return. When you give without any thought or desire for something back, your returns will be truly limitless. The intention behind your giving is the most important thing. The intention should always be to create happiness for both the giver and the receiver. When you give and expect in return, it's called an investment. But when you give and don't expect in return, it's called love. And love softens the hardest edges of life's rough patches. We all long for love, but are we ready to give what we want? Because only in giving do you receive. As what you give, you get back. It's the law of karma. What goes around does come around eventually, and the intention with which you engage in the act is the intensity with which you get back as well, sooner or later. Truly giving something from the heart is an action which will fill your life with abundant joy. And this is where the expression giving wholeheartedly comes from. What you give out is what comes back in direct proportions to the feelings you have in the act of giving. It's very simple. If you want to experience more joy, give joy to others. If you want to experience more love, give love to others. If you want attention and appreciation, learn to give attention and appreciation to others. These are some of life's most precious gifts, and they don't cost you anything. When you meet someone, you can silently send them a blessing, wishing them happiness, joy, and laughter. This kind of silent giving is very powerful. Do this with no thought of return, and you will suddenly find people around you opening up to you in joy and happiness. Kindness is not just totally dope, but also infectious. It warms your hearts with love and joy, and you end up spreading the same in a snowballing effect. And you know what? The world needs it. Words are powerful, prayer is powerful, positivity is powerful. Don't underestimate the power of them thoughts and words and prayers. Make a decision that wherever you go and whoever you meet, you give. As long as you're giving, you will also be receiving. The more you give, the more will flow back to you and will be returned many times over. Giving creates a pattern of happiness, joy, and love in your life beyond your wildest expectations. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. Kindness in giving creates love. May your life be filled with love, peace, happiness, and harmony. And may the spirit of Christmas, of giving and forgiving forever be in your hearts. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now go on, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. This is Santa, Monica, signing out. Until next time.